Скандално видео бе изпратено до екипа на телевизия Алфа от наш Зрител. Американско семейство е изгонено от самолет минути преди да започне полетът му, защото детето им, което е на 2 години, отказва да си сложи маска. Мъжът и жената остават без своя багаж и им е забранено да пътуват с въпросната авиолиния до живот.
We just got kicked off the flight because our 2-year-old would not put on a mask, and we tried. I mean, I'm gonna put a video on. And they're sending all of our bags and Adeline's car seat to New York. And we're banned off of United forever because a 2-year-old would not put on a mask.
Във видеото се вижда как бащата на детето се опитва да му сложи маска, но детето отказва. След това при семейството идва стюард, който казва, че трябва да си вземат багажа и да напуснат самолета.
Do you want to try putting it on her?
Yeah.
Adeline,
And ladies and gentlemen, we're almost ready to go. So please put away your carry-on items, including your large electronic devices like laptops. Feel free to keep using it.
Why? We're over here holding this mask on her face. I'm sorry, sir. I gave you another opportunity. And I took that opportunity and I ran with it. You see this? I'm literally covering her face. I gotta keep it off. You guys do this all the time or what? Like, what? There's non-compliance yet. This is compliance. I'm literally holding it over my daughter's face. This is compliance right here. I'm sorry.
we can't force her. She's literally holding it and she's crying.
You're gonna do this to us? Yeah? Wow.
All right, let's go.
Your jacket's up there.
Okay. Cool.
I don't want you to think that I'm upset with you. I'm sorry? I'm not upset with you. I just think that it's so stupid how you enforce this so strict.
It is.
It makes zero sense.
There's no compliance.
This virus has a 99% survival rate. You know what I mean? Like, if we use our minds, what happens now? You can book us first class to New York?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can't fly them. You can't fly them, no?
So we're barred off United.
Yes. Well, now you turn the no. I don't know what.
Because our 2-year-old daughter would not put on a mask? Not us, but our 2-year-old daughter.
I get it. I get it.
I know it's not.
What do you mean you get it? But like I don't understand.
You should say something
She's
to people above
2.
you. You know
She's
what I mean?
literally
Like, you can't
2.
keep sleeping like this.
Припомняме ви, че Световната здравна организация издаде насоки, според които децата над 12 годишна възраст трябва да носят маски в съответствие с препоръчената практика за възрастните в своята страна. Надяваме се американските власти да се запознаят с този случай и да вземат адекватни мерки.